Intro epic military music plays voiceover. In a world where aerial threats are becoming faster, deadlier, and harder to detect, every army needs a shield that can move with the front line. Meet the N/TWQ-1 Avenger air defense system, the U.S. Army's rapid response mobile anti-aircraft Guardian, designed to defend troops from above with speed, precision, and relentless firepower. In this video, we explore what makes the Avenger a battlefield essential, its systems, capabilities, combat roles, and why it remains a trusted name in short-range air defense for America and its allies. History and origins voiceover. The Avenger was born from necessity in the early 1980s during the Cold War era. The U.S. Army needed a lightweight, mobile air defense platform that could escort ground units and provide point defense against helicopters, drones, and low-flying aircraft. Developed by Boeing, the Avenger underwent rapid prototyping and was first fielded in the late 1980s. Over the years, it has been modernized multiple times, with new sensors, stabilization, and control systems to meet evolving aerial threats. Design and features voiceover. Mounted on a Humvee chassis, the Avenger blends speed with firepower. Its lightweight structure and off-road mobility make it ideal for rapid deployment, even in rough terrain. Now let's break down its primary systems. Missile armament, 2 launch pods, each holding 4 FIM-92 Stinger missiles, giving the Avenger a total of 8 heat-seeking projectiles ready to fire, 12 7mm M3P machine gun for close-range defense and engaging ground targets. It's equipped with a high-rate 50 caliber machine gun, target acquisition, a suite of infrared sensors, laser rangefinders, and optical sights helps the gunner detect, track, and lock on targets both day and night. Remote operation. The gunner can control the turret from inside the vehicle or even from a remote terminal up to 50 meters away, allowing better protection in hostile zones. Capabilities and range voiceover. The Avenger's Stinger missiles can engage threats at ranges up to 4,800 meters and altitudes of up to 3,800 meters. It's built to react within seconds of detecting a target, locking on and firing with remarkable agility. The system can track fast-moving aircraft, drones, and helicopters and neutralize them before they reach friendly troops. And because it's based on the Humvee, it can keep up with armored units in combat formations, offering on-the-move protection in dynamic battle scenarios. Technology and upgrades voiceover. In recent years, the Avenger has received digital upgrades, including networked battle management systems, improved radar integration, and compatibility with modern command and control centers. It can now share data with Patriot missile batteries, Sentinel radars, and other air defense platforms, creating a layered air defense grid. Some modern variants also integrate laser rangefinders, auto-tracking, and thermal imaging, making it deadly even in low-visibility environments. Combat deployments voiceover. From the Gulf War to the global war on terror, Avenger systems have been deployed in real combat scenarios. They've been used to guard military bases, defend convoys from drone threats, and even escort humanitarian missions in volatile regions. In Iraq and Afghanistan, Avengers protected airfields, forward operating bases, and critical infrastructure from low-altitude threats. Their presence boosted troop morale, knowing the skies were under constant watch. International users voiceover. The U.S. isn't the only country to use the Avenger. Several allied nations, including Taiwan, Egypt, and Chile, have also adopted it for their own air defense needs. Its reliability, simplicity, and mobility make it a popular export, especially in regions vulnerable to UAV attacks or low-flying aircraft threats. Future and modernization voiceover. As drone warfare and hypersonic threats become more common, the U.S. Army is exploring laser-based variants of the Avenger. Experimental models now include directed energy weapons DEWs that can burn incoming drones out of the sky with unlimited ammo. As long as there's power, this evolution will turn the Avenger into a 21st century air defense marvel, fast, efficient, and deadly. Conclusion voiceover. The TWQ-1 Avenger may not make headlines like the HIMARS or the Abrams, but its role is absolutely critical. It's the guardian angel of the battlefield, silently watching the skies, ready to strike, keeping soldiers safe from above. As warfare evolves, so does the Avenger, staying ahead, adapting, and protecting. This is more than just a vehicle, it's America's shield in motion. Outrow plus subscribe CTA. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. More powerful U.S. Army weapons are coming soon.